Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on HONOR Pad X8a. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. And as you can see, my internet browser is now installed, so now I can click open. And here you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click on now, and now click confirm. And my Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.